Drawing is hard. You keep trying and barely make any progress. I know that feeling. I've been there. I know it's so frustrating. But what if I told you that it's not that you don't know how to draw? It's just that you don't know how to truly see. Hi, my name is Yasmina. I'm a self-taught watercolor and other mixed media artist. My work is very loose, dreamy, and cute. I'm very happy with my style, and I don't feel limited in any way. If I want to draw something, I know I can, so I do. But it wasn't always like this. Here is some of my beginner work. Very different, isn't it? To get to the level of actually knowing how to draw, I had to do certain exercises that taught me how to see. These exercises aren't that much fun, and they can be pretty hard. But they are what a lot of beginner and self-taught artists are missing and need. Without the strong foundation of doing observational drawing, they are very limited in what they can create. No matter how stylized the results are, they will not feel believable or professional without a good foundation in seeing. Every artist has to learn these skills first. When I did, my art improved the most and drastically fast, and I want the same for you. In this class, we'll tackle observational drawing with many time-tested exercises that will help you to level up your work. In each lesson, I'll hold your hand and show you how I do them and what I'm thinking as I'm doing them. You'll also see that I have weak points and make mistakes all the time. The journey of improvement and practice never ends. You have to take the time to challenge yourself in your art to get better. And the great news is, once you know how to truly see, you can deconstruct any subject for perfect proportions every time, and even stylize what you see. I will touch on this at the end of the class, and I know this is probably your end goal, but trust me, the first step is to learn how to see like an artist. If you do exercises to learn how to observe deliberately, you will improve so quickly. So if you're serious about taking your art to another level, let's get started.